Hello, it's Paige Green from Paige Green's Tutoring, and today is the second video in the series of simultaneous equations. This is going to be a quick video on looking at solving simultaneous equations where both the coefficients are the same and they're both negative. So for this one, we can see that our y's both have a -4, so they're the same. Now, thinking back to our previous video, when the two signs were positive, we took them away. Now the same applies when they're negative. If we take them away, they will still cancel out. So we do 4x take away x, which is 3. Now -4y minus -4y, you will see how two negatives in the middle there make a positive. Therefore, we're doing -4y add 4y, which just leaves us with 0. So when they're both negative, they still cancel out. Then we do 24 take away 3, which is 21. Now we're going to solve this by dividing both sides by 3, which leaves me with x equals 7. Now we're not done there, we still need to find out what y is, so I'm going to pick one of the equations. We'll go for the bottom one today. If I substitute that in, I've got 7 minus 4 lots of y equals 3. Now if I solve that, I first want to get rid of that 7 by taking it away from both sides. So I'm left with my -4y, and that then leaves us with -4. And then I'm going to divide both sides by that -4 to get rid of it. Now -4 divided by -4 gives us a +1. So we just have to be really careful with our negatives when we're looking at questions like this. I'd like you to pause the video and now have a go at that second one. For this one, you can see that we've got -3y, which are the same, so we're going to take them away. Now 6x take away 4x is 2x, minus 3y take away -3y, just becomes 0, and then 12 take away 2 is just 10. We're going to solve this by dividing both sides by 2, which leaves me with x equals 5. But we're not done there. We need to substitute this into one of the equations. This time, I'll go for the top one. 6x, but it's 5, take away 3y equals 12. 6 times 5 is just 30. We're taking away 3y, which gives us 12. Now let's solve this. So I'm going to get rid of that 30 from both sides by taking it away. Now 12 take away 30 is just going to leave us at -8. And now I'm going to get rid of that -3. So I'm going to divide both sides by -3, which leaves me with y equals 6. So a negative divided by a negative leaves us a positive. So here our answers are x equals 5 and y equals 6. So you can see here how it's exactly the same as the previous video. We're just taking both the equations away, but this time we've got to be a bit more careful with those negatives. In summary of both of those videos, what you need to remember here is when the signs are the same, so when they're both negative or both positive on the ones that we're trying to eliminate, then we can just take the equations away. Join me for the next video where we'll look at where the signs are different but still focusing on when the coefficients are the same.